Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today I've got a box from South Korea. This is something I found on eBay that I think you'll find interesting. So let's crack into it. Okay, cool. Oh, a note. It says thank you for your purchase. What's in the box? You're wondering, what could be in this box? What would be so fascinating from South Korea? I'll show you. This right here. A couple weeks ago, I was looking at Samyang Foods Instagram, and I noticed something a little interesting. They mentioned a date, and they showed the Hochi, the Bulldak Bokkeumyun mascot, and I thought, must be a new variety coming out. Well, I talked to my contact at Samyang Foods. She told me that 2X Bulldak Bokkeumyun was out for a very limited time in South Korea, and they were just going to bring it back. Nothing new to check out, no big deal, nothing. I'm like, oh, okay. Well, then it comes out, and then it turns out this is hotter than the 2X. All right, see that right there? 10,000 SHU. The 2X Bulldak Bokkeumyun that we get here, known as the nuclear fire noodle, is 8,706 SHU. So this is supposed to be hotter. This would be then the hottest Bulldak Bokkeumyun on the market. Again, to beat a dead horse, there is no 4X Bulldak Bokkeumyun. That's just mala, and that's actually half as spicy as the original, so that's 0.5X. If the original is 4,404 into 10,000, what, 2.5X? So yeah, here I am up at 2 in the morning taking pictures of Korean instant noodles, preparing for what I'll be doing later today, which is trying these. There will be a spicy noodle mukbang and a cooking video, and this video all coming out in quick succession. Check that out. Looks pretty angry. I don't know if it has a different name. If it does, you'll be seeing it with this. All right, and hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.
Done.